After checking into our hotel in Example, we stepped out around 4 p.m. for our first walk in Barcelona. Just a few minutes away, Casa Batlló was our first real encounter with the city, one of Antoni Gaudi's most famous works. It reflects Barcelona's unique architectural identity. Thank you. At the Lego store on Passeig de Gracia, our son stamped his Lego passport, a small ritual for young Lego fans around the world. He spent quite some time exploring mini Lego versions of Barcelona's iconic landmarks. Plaça de Catalunya connects the modern city with the historic Old Town. From there, we headed to the Barcelona Cathedral and Gothic Quarter. Çok iyi değil mi ya? Ne güzel çalıyor. Barcelona Cathedral is one of the city's most important Gothic landmarks. Standing in the heart of Old Town, it has shaped the city's identity for centuries. Just beside the cathedral, we found a quiet courtyard, a peaceful contrast to the busy street outside. We passed by Pont del Bisbe, one of the most photographed spots in the Gothic Quarter. Çekiyorum, gelin. Gelin, çok güzel, bakın. Çınar ağzını çek. Gelin, tamam. O ara sokaklara dağılalım mı? Hadi gel. Hidden between the streets, we came across the remains of Temple of Augustus, dating back to Roman times. We walk into the Gothic Quarter streets, the historic heart of Barcelona, filled with narrow medieval streets. Text on Instagram. Hadi. By the time we reached to the Labacoria market, night had fallen already. The vibrant stalls brought a different kind of energy to the evening.
Ya le puedes dar gracias a ella, que es la que me ha hecho la cosa.
Çileğe bakar mısın? Çınar şöyle çekeyim misin? Plaça Real felt lively and relaxed, a classic Mediterranean evening atmosphere. After Plaça Real, we walked down La Rambla towards the sea. At the end stands the Columbus Monument, marking the connection between the city and the sea. The Port Vale area offered a calmer, open space after the busy streets. Oynuyor. Evet. T-Familiar card is the suggested public transport card for families. Here is how you buy it. On our way back, we stepped into El Nacional, a popular gathering spot full of life and conversations. As we returned, Casa Batlló looked completely different under the night lights. We wrapped up the day around 10 p.m. A full first walk through the city. What about tomorrow? The big icons await.